Hello everyone, this is Manu from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to showcase a product that is an electronic buzzer and explaining about its working. Let's see how it works. This is the buzzer of 12 mm with an operating voltage of 1.5 to 16 volt DC and a current rating which is greater than 40 milliamps. The buzzer comes with two LEDs. The buzzer with longer terminal is to be connected to the positive end, and which is shorter is to be connected to the negative end. Let's see what's inside the buzzer and what the mechanism inside it. Here I have split the same buzzer in parts. It contains a magnetic circuit consisting of iron core with a wounded coil and a small plate surrounding it. Actually, what happens is when the current passes through it, coil produces some fluctuating magnetic field which causes the another attached metal to vibrate up and down, and this is a magnet which sits top of it, and this is a small vibrating metal which sits on top of the magnet, and this is a driver circuit which sits top of it, this one. And when there is a fluctuating magnetic field, this metal which sits top of the magnet starts vibrating up and down. Thus there is a vibration in the air. There is a small gap provided in the cavity on the top of the buzzer for the resonance and generating a buzzer sounds through the resonator. This is what inside the buzzer. Here I am connecting the same buzzer. I am providing some voltage to it. Two wires coming out of it. I am connecting to the power supply breakout, which normally gives 12 volt and 5 volt outputs. First I am connecting it to the ground. Let's cross verify. This is the ground. Let's give it to 5 volts. This beam sound. Let's see, connecting it to 12 volts. Works still louder. Thank you for watching this video. The product will be live on our website. For more information, please visit our website www.tenetech.com.